Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So all we need to do to reboot this device is to launch the power menu first. And we do it by holding the power button and volume down button at the same time for around 1.5 seconds, something like that. So hold both of the buttons. And now the power menu appeared. Now simply tap on the restart, tap once again, and now within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically and it will be again ready to use. Also, performing a reboot from time to time is good for your device health, because during that process the RAM gets freed up and all of the processes that are running in the background are being closed and our device can rest for a while. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.